So today is part two of the, well, let's just say this or that series. And what we're doing is I'm trying to see if the same designs I can do with airbrush, can I do them with pat pat gel? So there's the airbrush version. Now I've done these fuzzy nails. You've seen me do these fuzzy nails, but somebody had posted on Facebook like a picture of, yeah, fuzzy nails, but it was French. And was like, how do you do this? And I'm like, okay, I can definitely show them how to do that. So that's what we're doing here. After I do my D&D color on base, I do 2 coats, I do matte, and then I pop out with my Deep French stencils, lay those on, and grab my airbrush paints. Now, I currently use One Air acrylic water-based airbrush nail art paints. I've been using those for like the past 8 years. They're amazing. They're very difficult to get into the United States with the current tariffy stuff. So as soon as we can, I'll be getting more back in. That deep stencils, I'll put the link for that, and I'll even put the link for that D&D because D&D makes the perfect base. Now you just go in and fuzzy soft spray in the lines. Now if you're having a difficult time staying straight across, like you can't do it, I'm going to put the link to my starter pack, which comes with my practice sheet. And I want you to get this airbrush practice sheet, and I want you to start practicing so you know exactly where you're spraying when you're spraying. It literally makes your designs come out so much better when you know exactly what you're aiming for. Take off your deep French stencils and then go ahead and hit it with your base coat, cure, then top coat and cure. What do you think about this look? Will you try it? Like, really, will you try?